Hey kids, today we are going to see capitalization rules. Capital letters love to go first. Every sentence begin with them. Beginning of a sentence. The first word in a sentence starts with a capital letter. Example, the dog barks. In this sentence, first word the starts with capital letter T. Names. First and last names, prefixes, always starts with a capital letter. Example, Mr. Jackie Chan. Here, Mr. is a prefix which should be starts with capital letter M. Jackie is a first name. First letter of the name starts with capital letter. Chan is a second name which starts with capital letter C. Pet and character names also starts with capital letter. Example, Mac the dog. Mac is the name of a dog which should be starts with capital letter M. Olf is a character name in an animated movie which also starts with capital letter O. Company names like YouTube and Google which also starts with capital letter. Places name, countries, cities, states, street name, restaurant name, store name, these are all starts with capital letter. Pronoun I. The word I by itself in a capital letter in a sentence. Example, I am happy. Contraction, which means shortened form. If you write shortened form of I am, I apostrophe M, starting I should be in capital letter. Calendar, months, days, holidays name are all starts with capital letter. Title of books, movies, shows are also starts with capital letter. Now fix these sentences. I hope you all understand, kids. Whenever you write, don't forget, start strong with a capital letter.